Huawei is preparing something big for its next flagship smartphone lineup, the Mate 90 series. While most smartphone brands focus on faster processors, better cameras, and larger batteries, Huawei seems to be paying special attention to one area that often gets overlooked: cooling. According to a new leak, the Huawei Mate 90 series could introduce an advanced 3D cooling fusion technology that may help the phone stay cooler and perform better during heavy tasks. If the report is accurate, this could become one of the most interesting upgrades in Huawei's next flagship lineup. Earlier rumors suggested that Huawei was working on MEMS active cooling fan technology for the Mate 90 series. That alone sounded impressive because active cooling systems are rarely seen in smartphones. They are usually found in gaming phones where heat management is extremely important. But now, a new leak from a well-known tipster claims Huawei has another cooling solution in development. Instead of relying only on a cooling fan, the company may use a combination of advanced 3D heat conduction technology and micropump liquid cooling components. This setup is being described as a 3D cooling fusion technology, and it could represent a major step forward in smartphone thermal management. So what exactly makes this different from current cooling systems? Most smartphones today use what can be called a 2D cooling solution. These systems are designed to move heat away from the processor and spread it across certain areas inside the phone. While effective, they still have limitations. Heat can remain trapped around the processor during intense gaming, video editing, or other demanding tasks. The rumored 3D cooling system works differently. Instead of moving heat in only one direction, it spreads and removes heat in 3 dimensions. This means heat can be transferred from multiple internal components at the same time, helping the entire device stay cooler. The technology reportedly uses advanced materials such as copper foils, graphene layers, and micro-pumped liquid cooling systems. Together, these components rapidly move heat away from critical hardware and distribute it across a larger area. The heat can then be transferred outward toward the screen or the back panel of the device, reducing the chance of overheating. For users, this could bring several important benefits. First, gaming performance could become more stable. One of the biggest problems with powerful smartphones is thermal throttling. When a phone gets too hot, the processor automatically reduces its performance to prevent damage. This often results in lower frame rates and slower performance. A better cooling system means the processor can maintain higher speeds for longer periods without overheating. Second, battery efficiency could improve. Lower temperatures generally help batteries operate more efficiently and may even contribute to better long-term battery health. Third, the phone could remain more comfortable to hold during heavy use. Anyone who has played a demanding mobile game or recorded long videos knows how warm a phone can become. Better heat management could solve that problem. The leak also hints that Huawei is preparing major upgrades in the chipset department. While exact details are still unknown, the tipster claims the Mate 90 series will deliver real breakthroughs not only in processing power, but also in cooling technology. Interestingly, earlier reports suggested that Huawei may use a cooling fan solution in some versions of the Mate 90 lineup. However, the latest information indicates that this fan technology might be reserved for a special Wind Edition model instead of the entire series. If that happens, the standard Mate 90 devices could rely on the new 3D cooling fusion system, while the premium Wind Edition may combine it with an active cooling fan for even greater thermal performance. Huawei has already seen strong success with the Mate 80 series, and it appears the company wants to push things even further with its next generation of flagship phones. The Mate 90 lineup is expected to launch around September this year. While many details are still based on leaks and rumors, one thing is becoming clear: Huawei is investing heavily in cooling technology. And if these reports turn out to be accurate, the Mate 90 series could become one of the coolest smartphones on the market, literally and figuratively.